Another video, a review on a toaster. A couple years ago we got this toaster. It is I can't even remember what it is. It's fade off.
I think it was a Sunbeam or something like that.
Okay. So it won't toast anymore. This was a gift for a housewarming gift that Julie's brother gave us when we moved in here. So what we have done here, I'm going to toss this out.
Okay.
And we got a new Hamilton Beach.
Woo!
We're going to open it up and check it out and give you a review. So,
It's a chrome. It has different settings on it. I love it because it's got a tray on the bottom that lets you get the crumbs out. So you don't have to put the toaster over the trash can and start jiggling again, like we had to do with the old one.
Here's the directions, but you know what? Who reads those anyway?
Not you.
Not me. So, we're pulling it out of the box.
Yay!
Easy to peasy to pull it out.
Woo!
It's a Hamilton
There it
Beach.
is.
It'll fit thick slices, bagels, wide slots, toast, cancel button, on off, toast select switch.
Yay!
So we're going to get rid of that.
Yay!
Now,
Well, one thing I like about it is they have the selector on the toast, what kind of toast you want. Like if you want it dark or light or not very toasted is what you always say I do, because yours is black. You don't like it unless it's black. And you have to cut off the, you have to take something and scrape off the black part.
well, I like my toast to be toasted.
I know,
Period.
but I don't want it that toasted.
My toast has to be toasted.
Well, I don't like it that toasty.
So we got to take off a few little
Doodads
here. Check out the bottom. It's all clean,
Yay.
ready to go.
Yay.
Now I've always gone through different toasters. But we're gonna give this one a whirl.
Okay.
See what's happening.
It's supposed to be a pretty good one with Hamilton Beach, I would say.
Plugged it in. Didn't get shocked.
It's a good thing.
Let's see. I got a cancel button. I've got the cancel button is right here. We got a dial which will go all the way to 7. But like I like my toast to be toasted. So I'll probably do between a 5 and a 6.
Oh, there you go.
There we go.
Okay, I have to do mine about a 2 or a 3.
We got some Pepperidge Farms bread here that I like very much because it's healthy choice.
And it's sweet. I like it because it's sweet.
And it's nice. And I'm going to do the heel of the bread. For some reason, people don't like the heel of the bread.
No.
I do.
Nope, no heel for me.
It fits in just right. I don't know, could I put it in that way? Holy crap, I can put it in that way. Look at that.
Yep.
It's
Couldn't
in
do that.
there. Couldn't do that with
before.
the old one.
Uh-uh.
I'm going to go ahead and toast and see what happens. You see what happens when I put it squishes it together like it should be?
Yeah.
I can feel it already heating up.
Okay.
The coils are getting red.
Okay. Now, if you like our reviews, please click the like button and subscribe to us. And also tell us something that you would like for us to review next. This is J.K. Cass Jr.
Button this up.
Okay, now we're just waiting for it to pop up.
We're going to watch some toast here.
Now you're going to look at the directions.
No, I'm not looking at the directions. I don't like directions.
We know.
And there we go.
Okay.
Now I got it set at 5.
Okay.
We'll see what happens when it comes out.
You got it set at 4.
No, I got it set at 5. It's 5.
Oh, okay. It looks like 4 to me, but
Well,
anyway.
it's 5.
Okay. Whatever you say.
Trust me, it's 5.
All right, Mr. Man. Whatever you say.
Marvina.
That's his mommy. He's more like his daddy, though.
Shh.
Okay, and
All right.
we're waiting, and we're
waiting. I want to see if it pops up and the toast pops right out of the toaster. We got a good toaster here.
I smell something. It smells like metallic.
Yep, it's heating
I guess
up.
it's because
It's brand new.
Well, I can smell stuff really easily, so that's why I smelled it before he could. But I see the coils. Yep, it'll be popping up any minute now. Hopefully.
So
Okay.
when the toast toasts and it pops up, we're gonna have some toast. But we're not gonna have some tea with our toast because we're not British.
I'm just wondering how black it's going to be. I wonder how black it's going to be. Is it going to be really black or just a little bit black? Oh, there it goes.
Here it comes. And it is a little bit it's right texture. Smells good. My toast has been toasted.
It's not like you usually like it. It's hot. Watch
It's
out.
hot. Watch out. My
burn the
baby
baby's-
fingers.
Burn the baby's fingers.
Ooh.
Oh.
Yep, it smells good. It looks like toast, but this is doable, so I will be eating this. And just remember, it's a Hamilton Beach. And if you like your toast to be toasted, this is the toaster for you. And Godspeed and good luck.
Thank you.